Hey, what's going on, guys? It's ʻdoç here. Today I'm going to show you how to download some Twitch clips. Let's head to the desktop. All right, so first off, there are already clip websites out there, so if you have no problem using those, please do. This method does not use that, but rather downloads them straight from the website. It's a little bit of a workaround, but I like it a lot better because then I don't have to deal with ads. So find the clip that you want, doesn't matter, and then you're going to right click and you're going to inspect. This clip is from XQC. His link will be in the description. So once you right click and inspect, you're going to see all this weird stuff on the side. What you want to pay attention to is what highlights on this screen when you're hovering over it. Once you're hovering over the video, or like the video gets highlighted, that's when you know that you're in the right spot. And basically you're going to look through a little bit and you're going to find this little video link right here. What you're going to do is just double click, copy this link. It should be in a video bracket as well. And then you're just going to go to a new tab, paste, and it starts downloading right at the bottom. My camera's covering it, but here it is right here. Should have a weird name.
It, and people will like try to help, but they don't.
And there's that for you. Super easy. And you don't have to deal with any of those weird Twitch Club websites. So if this helped, please like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.